Just check if the screen is visible. Is the screen visible? No.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now?
Now it's visible.
Okay. Was this understood? Last class we had done two numericals, right? Two problems we had solved to design a digital circuit. Were these clear? One was to find 9's complement and one more was this. Was this clear? Yes? Sanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these two numericals were clear. We will go for the next one now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take down. Design a combinational circuit that will multiply two 2-bit numbers. Design a combinational circuit that will multiply two 2-bit numbers. Right? So your work is to prepare the truth table. Just check your y output WXYZ for first four combinations 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to multiply two 2-bit numbers. Okay, one 2-bit number is 0, 0, which is AB. See, what you have to do is into CD you have to do. Okay, AB into CD you have to do. Okay, so what I have done 0, 0 into 0, 0. So I get 4. See, two 2-bit numbers give you output of 4-bit number. So I get 4, 0, 0. Okay, now multiplying 0, 0 with 0, 1 gives me again 4 zeros. Multiplying 0, 0 with 1, 0 gives me 4 zeros. Multiplying 0, 0 with 1, 1 gives me 4 zeros. Is it clear up till here? Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
Okay, right? So again, I have to multiply 0, 1 with 0, 0, what you will get? 4 zeros. Okay, you all are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have to multiply 0, 1 with 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1 with 0, 1. Check out what you get. Do you know this multiplication or is it to be done?
Ma'am, please allow Shubham.
6 you all are verifying. Suraya, Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
up till 6 you all are doing. Samir,
Yes, ma'am.
up till 6 you got the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Students who have joined late, please take down the numerical first. design a combinational circuit that will multiply two 2-bit numbers. Check from 7th. Up till 6, you all are verifying? Yes or no? Abhay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 7th क्या है तुम्हारा?
मैम कर रहा हूँ.
Let me know what is the 7 you get. What is for 7 you get WXYZ? Check from 11 to 7 to 11. Ramesh? Ramesha? Prajwal Gowda?
Yes, ma'am. Doing, ma'am.
Ramesh, 1 till answer.
हाँ मैम डूइंग मैम.
Tell me 12th one. WXYZ for 12th. So you have to multiply 1 1 with 00. 12 is what? 1 1 0 0. Okay, 12 is 1 1. Okay, AB is 1. Matlab this is a. So what you get? 1 1 multiplied with 0 0. Tell me what would be the 12th one? WXYZ. Shubham?
यस मैम.
यहाँ तक आया? Up till 11th you got?
नहीं मैम अभी स्टार्ट किया है मैं. I've joined late.
Okay. Others? Do it up till 11th, Shubham.
Yes मैम.
Sankar?
Yes, ma'am. Doing, ma'am. Doing. Join late, ma'am.
Who else is there? Ankita? Ankita? Sanya?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, tell me the 12th one. 1 1 multiplied with 0 0. Anything multiplied with 0? Okay, should it be done here?
Ma'am, 13 1 0 1 1 0.
Check kar Samir. I'm getting it 0 0 1 1. 14th is 0 1 1 0 I'm getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Please see where you are going wrong. Completed the truth table? You all completed the truth table? Shall we proceed?
Ma'am, that multiplication repeat once again, please.
Ma'am, can you explain the question once again, ma'am?
See, question is design a combinational circuit that will multiply two 2-bit numbers. Okay. So, two 2-bit number. Okay, one 2-bit number is AB. Okay, A and B, which will have possible combinations of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Second 2-bit number is CD. Okay, which will have again 4 possible combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 0, 0. See, here I have drawn, okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, these are two 2-bit numbers. These are two. Okay, A, B, C, D is 1, C, D is 1. So these are two 2-bit numbers. So I have to multiply 0, 0 with 0, 0. Then 0, 1 with 0, 1. Then 0, 0 with 1, 0. Now, is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So do the multiplication.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do up till here. Up till here, is that done? You all have taken down the truth table. Hua, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed? ऋत्विक
यस मैम।
हुआ यहाँ तक?
मैम कर रहा हूँ, मैंने अभी स्टार्ट किया है। कंटिन्यू कीजिए मैम, मैं आपने देखा।
Others? अंकिता?
Yes, doing.
थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Get the truth table everyone fast. So see, this is a truth table which you get. Okay, we'll proceed. You all have taken down at least this truth table.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, from this truth table, okay, see here, which all are the mean terms giving you 1 for W? Okay, 1 is 15. Okay, so only 15 you are getting. So what I'll write? W of 15. Okay. Next, for Y, W or X scalar. For X, I'm having 10, 11 and 14. For X, I have 10, 11, 14. Okay, for Y, 6 is 1, 7 is 1, 9 is 1, 11 is 1, 13 and 14 are 1. So for Y, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14. Similarly, Z के लिए 5, 7, 13, 15. So Z is 5, 7, 13, 15. Is that okay now? W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see here, as such, last numerical that don't care does not come into picture. Okay. So I'll plot K map for W first. So W only 15 is okay. So what is, see, W is what? It is only 15. What is 15? Yes, what is 15? 15 is this, A, B, C, D. Okay, so you need not again draw a K map for W. So W I'll directly write as A, B, C, D. Any doubts? Any doubts here? How I got W? Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is understood everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Abhay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So अभी देखो X में what happens here? I have 3 mean terms, so I have to draw the K map. Okay. So for the K map for X, 1 is 0, 2 0, 3 0, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 1, 11 is 1, 12, 13, 14 is 1, 15. See the K map for X. All of you check the K map for X. You could tally this. You all can tally this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have 2 groups. One is this group. Okay, this group would give what? If this is AB and this is CD, this group would give you A,
ACD bar. AC D bar.
You get D bar plus
AB bar.
we have another group which is this two, which would give you
A B bar C.
A B bar C. Okay, you get it as A B bar C. All of you got the expression for X?
Yes, ma'am.
Now X W H Y. Y is what? This. Okay, Y is this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there, 10 is not there, 11, sorry, 11, then 12 is not there, 13 is there, 14, 15. Okay, check the K map for Y. Check K map for Y, everyone. You getting this? This is the K map for Y, huh? Okay. Tallying your K map for Y. Get me the expression, please. Here, this is one set you can do. This is one grouping you can do. This is one more grouping you can do. This is one more grouping you can do. Correct? So, your Y, I'll write the expression, you please tally. A C bar D plus A B bar D plus A bar BC plus BC D bar. Check करो. All of you check this for Y. Y, you all are tallying for Y.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Z का draw करो. Draw for Z, everyone. For Z, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 नहीं है, 13 है, 15 है. Check your Z.
BD.
So Z you turned out to be BD. Correct. यहाँ तक हुआ? All have done up till here. You get only group of 4 cells, one group of 4 cells. So it's BD. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now try to
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now try to draw the combinational circuit, implement it. Implement it using the combinational logic gates. Yes, anyone could draw the diagram, logic diagram. Should I be drawing it here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam. For what? Should I draw or you have got it?
No, ma'am. Draw it.
Ma'am, draw.
Okay, right, we'll draw. Okay, now first you take your 4 inputs. Okay, these are my 4 inputs, which are A, B, C, and D. A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, now what is my W? See, W is directly A, B, C, D. So W is A, B, C, and D. Okay, it is what? A dot B dot C dot D. Okay, it means I have to use which gate? AND gate or OR gate? Yes. Which gate I'll use to implement W? It is A dot B dot C dot D. AND gate use करोगे कि OR gate use करोगे?
And ma'am.
And get.
So AND gate I get W. ठीक है? Now easy वाले. Okay, Z is equal to B into D. Okay, Z is equal to B into D. Okay. So W, this is my Z. Okay, now X. X is A, C, D bar plus A, B, C bar. Somewhere we'll keep it here. Okay, x is a c d bar. Okay, first draw a c d bar. A I'll take a, c I'll take, okay, and see d के लिए what I'll do, d bar I want ना, so what I'll do, I'll take a not gate here. Okay, AC D bar. So AC D bar को कनेक्ट करने के लिए I'll use an AND gate. This output is A C D bar. Now I want to implement A B bar C. So A I'll take see, it is not A B bar C na, it is A B bar. So again to B I have to take a NOT gate. Okay. You all are understanding this? See, you can
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
me if I am going wrong, you can correct me. Okay, so इसका output क्या आया, A B bar C. Now I connect these two using a OR gate. This is my X. Check up till here.
Yes, ma'am. It's right, ma'am.
करेक्ट है? कोई डाउट है इसमें?
No, ma'am.
नहीं. ओके, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्या डालना है हमको, y डालना है ना. y इज अ बिट बिगर. ठीक है, आई विल टेक y हियर. y का एक्सप्रेशन इज, try implementing y by yourself. By the time I'll do it here. Is a c bar d. A c bar d, control C, control V. A D and C bar, A D C bar. So I get this. This output is A. Sorry. Keep what I want. A D C bar. No, C bar in the sense this will come from here. C bar. A, C bar D is done. Then A, B bar D. Let me draw B bar first. This would be your B bar. A, B bar and D you get. Okay, and one more. And get. This is what? A, B bar, D. Got it up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep. Then you have A bar, B, C. So B I'll take, and C I'll take. B and C I have taken. You take A bar also. Okay, A bar भी लेना है आपको. So A bar means I'll put a inverter here itself. This is A bar. And get you get. This is A bar, B, C. Draw for B, C, D bar. See, B तो यहाँ पे है. Okay. C is here. And D bar के लिए you have to put a inverter. Okay. You get a AND gate. इन चारों को लेके you put a which gate? Now we will put which gate? Yes?
OR gate.
So, okay, got up till here everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood how to put the combinational logic circuit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Take the next one and try doing this. See, the question is design a combinational circuit to derive a common cathode 7-segment display. Okay, so you have to draw a 7-segment display. उसके लिए this is the diagram. See, I have written A, B, this is C, D, E, F and G. Okay, accordingly you have to put where you get 1 and where you get 0 in this column. See, A, B, C, D to ठीक है. Okay, 0 to 15 I have to write A, B, C, D. Okay, what is this small A, B, A to G is, see, for 0, which all LEDs should glow? To get 0, which all LEDs should be high? Yes? See, to get 0, you should be looking at like this, na? So A should be 1, B should be 1, C should be 1, D 1, E 1 and F 1. Okay, however, G rahega 0. So here it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, for display to show you 1, your B and C will be high and other things will be 0. Understanding what to do?
No, ma'am. One second.
Yes?
Ma'am, I
Explain
explain
once
it
again,
once
ma'am.
Sorry, once again?
Explain, ma'am. Once again.
Okay. See, the question is you have to get an output for a 7-segment LED display. Okay. So 7-segment LED display कैसा होता है? It is like this, right? It's like this. Okay. It's a 7-segment LED display. Now,